Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the bed utility package, and the mobile office package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, we got backup camera with rear park sensing, tow hitch. We do get a tailgate step with this vehicle as well, with mud flaps on the rear and front. Nice gripped running boards with side view camera. We got spotlight, turning light indicated mirrors, blind spot detection, and moving to the front here, we got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and front park sensing, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage, rear vents with some outlets for charging, and of course you can lift up your seats for a nice split folding rear bench sheet, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have power driver seat and a powered passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, auto stop start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 7.2 kilometers. We got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we do get tons of storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets. Your gear select is collapsible. You do get an interior work surface, which is perfect to put your laptop here, food, paperwork, all that jazz. And you do get more storage underneath in your center console. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats with dual climate, got 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash, and looking here, we do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You got your park assist, which is just your park sensing that you can turn on or off, hazards, traction, and a nice 360 look at the vehicle where you can change your different camera angles. Looking at your main screen now, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF15694, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.